In today's video, I'm going to teach you import quiz questions. By the end, you'll know how to bring a batch of questions into your course and place them into a quiz quickly and cleanly. Before we begin, make sure you already have a question file ready on your computer. Supported formats include Moodle XML, GIFT, and Aiken. If your questions include images, detailed feedback, or other rich content. Moodle XML is the most reliable choice because it preserves those elements during import. Start by turning on edit mode so you can make changes in your course. With editing enabled, go to the course where you want this quiz to live. Inside the course, navigate to the section or topic that will host the quiz. Choose. Add an activity or resource. Select Quiz, and create the quiz shell. Give it a clear name so you can find it easily later. You don't have to configure everything right now. The key is just to have a quiz ready to receive questions. Next, let's import your questions into the course's question bank. Open the More menu, go to Question Bank, and click Import. This takes you to the import screen where you'll choose the file format that matches your question file. Again, Moodle XML is generally recommended if you need to keep images, feedback, and other rich data intact. If you're using GIFT or Aiken, double-check that your file follows the correct syntax for that format. On the import screen, browse to locate your question file on your computer. Select it and confirm. Depending on your interface, you may first see Upload this file, followed by Import or a single import button. Click through and let the system process the file. You'll see a summary of imported questions. If you notice any warnings, they usually indicate a formatting mismatch in the file. Ensure the format you selected matches the file you're using and that the file is saved with proper encoding, like UTF-8 if applicable. Now that your questions are in the question bank, let's add them to the quiz. Open the quiz you created earlier and choose to edit the quiz. From the Question Bank panel, select the correct category if you organized your questions. Check the questions you want to include and add the selected questions to the quiz. You can repeat this to bring in more questions from the bank as needed. That's it. You turned on edit mode, created a quiz in the right section, imported your question file into the question bank, and added the selected questions to the quiz. This workflow keeps your content organized and makes future quizzes faster to build.